Morning. If, like us, you have what is called chime on your alarm system and it operates when you open the front door, you can hear as is somewhat quiet, but it didn't used to be. The chances are it's your alarm system's internal speaker that has failed. That's the thing you're looking at now. I'm going to change it for one of these. This one came from eBay, around about £8, including delivery. I'll show you how easy it is to change it. First of all, got to take the old one down. As you can see, there's a screw here. I need to remove that. And the speaker simply unclips. I need to disconnect that. Speakers themselves only have 2 wires. You might have a tamper on yours, but to be honest, most of them do not. I need to remove the base because it's not compatible with the new one. Typical, but there we go. Base is off. Here we are, let's open the new one. Just the same, this one has a screw, I shall need to remove that. This one has a hole for a tamper switch, but our one doesn't have it, so I'm going to use that to put the cable through. It really is very simple. Put the cable through, put the screws in. Here we are. Cable here. It's just using 2 cords. This one just happens to be green and white. It doesn't matter what yours is, just as long as you connect the same pair. And it really is just a speaker, a terminal block on it. All you have to do is connect them up to the new speaker. It doesn't matter which way around they go. Speakers are not polarity conscious. Do make sure the connections are tight, give them a tug. If they come out, obviously they're not tight. Then all you need to do is put the speaker up round the right way, tuck the cable in, put its screw in the bottom. I should do that in a second, but first of all, let's try the front door. There you go. I'm sure even you could tell the difference with that. In the screw that secures the speaker. Done. I'm not saying you can do it with every alarm, but most of them you can, particularly if you've installed it yourself. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee